Want to be a Samsung Galaxy Ninja? Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I will crack 10 hidden and secret codes on all the hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy phone. So, let's get started. Secret code 1. Test device hardware, just a magical code. The first thing you need to do is open up the dialer. Now type *#0*#. This is a secret code to test your Samsung phone's hardware, like touch, vibration, speaker, graphics, and many more. Secret code 2. Check your phone model. Again, open up the dialer, type *1234#. Secret code 3. Check service mode. Open up the dialer and type *1111#. With this secret code, you can check your phone's service mode. Secret code 4. Check the main version. Again, open the dialer and enter *#12580*369#. This is a secret code to check your device's main version. Secret code 5. Use a modem. Go to the dialer again, type *0808#. You can change USB settings from here like MTP, PTP, or RNDIS, plus DM, plus modem. Hidden code 6. Check display information. Go back to the dialer again, enter *#4636#*#*. From here, you can check your phone information, usage, statistics, and Wi-Fi information. If you tap on phone information, you will see all about your phone. Then go back, tap usage, statistics. From here, you check your usage time. Now go back again, tap Wi-Fi information. You can check Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, and Wi-Fi status. Hidden code 7. Check the IMEI number. Open up the dial pad again, enter *#06#. With this number, you can check your Samsung device's IMEI and S and N number. Hidden code 8. Check SINS dump. If you dial *#9900#, then you can check the SIS dump, which is the feature for only developers to fix the bugs. So don't do anything wrong here. Hidden code 9. Check firmware version. Enter *2663# on the dial pad. After that, you can check the firmware version, or you can your Wi-Fi version as well. Hidden code 10. Check the firmware version of the rear and front camera. Now go to the dialer and type *3497153#. With this code, you can check all the secret models of your rear and front camera. Guys, chill, here is a bonus code for you, so let's check it out. Open up the dialer and type *22558463#. With this number, you can reset your total call time. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know which secret code or hack surprised you the most. And for more awesome tech tutorials, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.